Hello there, thank you for joining me today. My name is Doug. I know many of you were expecting a fountain pen review today. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but that won't be happening. I've decided to take a break from creating videos for YouTube for a while. I always knew that I would continue to do this as long as it was fun and people were enjoying it. But as soon as it became work, I'd give it a pass. I don't do this for the money. I'm not sponsored. I don't get free fountain pens from Pen Chalet, Goulet Pens, Goldspot Pens, Applebaum, or anyone. I don't have Patreon, and yet I've been doing 8 to 10 video reviews a month for 2 years, buying all the pens with my own money. I'm retired, and doing these videos has kept me busy and off the street. But this week, after accepting a Chinese fountain pen for a review from a Chinese group doing a Kickstarter, and posting the review, I've been accused multiple times in one day of being a paid shill for that company. To show that I'm not a shill, I'll be giving away that fountain pen. I've prided myself on doing honest reviews. Just an old guy who likes fountain pens, telling you what I think about them. And I've prided myself on answering every single comment on every single video I've created. I've got over 300 videos, 5,000 subscribers, and 800,000 views. So that's a lot of comments. And I've engaged in many conversations and met some really cool people. I've also had to delete a lot, and I mean a lot, of comments, and banished a lot of people for being insulting.
At least you haven't got a toothpick stuck in your bottom, have you? You haven't. You know. I'm sorry, Olive, that was uncalled for.
Rude.
Fashion today is towards the tiny.
Well, in that case, Percy, you have the most fashionable brain in London.
Obnoxious. Stupid.
I want you to meet my friend Stimpy. He's an idiot.
And all the other typical online asshole tricks of the trade.
Did you hear what he said?
I will repeat again. It's a pen. Get over it. So this pen will go to a subscriber who leaves a comment below by Monday, July 12th at 8 a.m. Pacific time. I'll choose a comment from a subscriber randomly and post the winner in a pinned comment on this video and on my community tab. The announced winner must contact me by email, which is in the description, with their name and address so I can ship you your prize. This break might be a week, 2 weeks, a month, who knows. While I'm away, I will not be answering any comments on any videos. So thank you for watching, so long, and thanks for all the fish.
I made this.